Regional Victoria was one of the first areas of Australia to really exhibit clearly the pattern that has become the major property trend of the 21st century, what I like to call the exodus to affordable lifestyle. Now, this trend of people moving from the big cities to the regions has been underway for many years, driven by the ability through technology to work remotely and the desire by many Australians to have a more relaxed and more affordable lifestyle. Now, the trend picked up pace during the pandemic, but we saw it starting to build long before then as people moved out of the expensive Melbourne market to regional Victoria, but still within a couple of hours driving distance of the big city. People were looking for more affordable property prices and locations with plenty of amenity, and they found it, particularly in areas such as Geelong, Ballarat and Bendigo, where the trend really started, and that happened 4 to 5 years ago, and which has remained strong markets for the past 4 or 5 years. The COVID pandemic really pushed that exodus to affordable lifestyle further because people were forced to work from home and more of them realised that it was a viable option long term. And there's still plenty of opportunities in regional parts of Victoria for people to access that lifestyle. The boom has spread to many other regional Victorian locations now more distant from Melbourne, including places such as Warrnambool, Mildura, the East Gippsland region and the Albury-Wodonga Twin Cities at the border with New South Wales. Now, I expect this trend to continue for some time to come. It won't stop once the pandemic is dealt with because this is fundamentally about technology, affordability and lifestyle. Regional Victoria as a whole is still a very strong market, which has produced outstanding price growth in the past 12 months, with many locations rising 20% and some above 30%. The latest CoreLogic figures show that in the March quarter of 2022, Regional Victoria overall recorded close to 4% in house price growth, and many individual locations did much better than that. So Regional Victoria is still a market which has a lot further to go, particularly as they don't see the exodus to affordable lifestyle trend easing anytime soon.